There are some words you will hear constantly, not just in textbooks. I'm talking about words you'll hear on the streets, in conversations, at work, at restaurants, and when you're hanging out with Brazilians. So let's learn 10 of them. Number 1. Cara. Cara can literally mean face, but in everyday Brazilian Portuguese it often means guy, man, or dude. E aí, cara? What's up, man? Number 2. Galera. Galera means something like guys, everyone, or the group. For example, e aí, galera? What's up, everyone? You'll hear this one a lot. Number 3. Beleza. Beleza literally means beauty, but informally, beleza, all good, and beleza can mean okay, sounds good. Number 4. Valeu. Valeu means thanks. Very informal. Valeu, cara. Thanks, man. Number 5. Tá. Tá is everywhere. It's the informal spoken form of está. Tá bom? Okay. Tá tudo bem. Everything's okay. You will hear this constantly. Number 6. Então. Então literally means so or then, but Brazilians use it in many different ways. For example, então, vamos? So, shall we go? It can also be used to start a conversation or introduce an idea. Number 7. Tipo. Tipo literally means type, but in casual speech, it can work like. For example, eu tava tipo muito cansado. I was like really tired. It's very common in informal speech. Number 8. Legal. Legal can mean cool, nice, great. For example, seu carro é legal. Your car's cool. Number 9. Nossa. Nossa is an expression of surprise. Depending on the situation, it can mean wow, oh my gosh, whoa. For example, nossa, que lindo. Wow, that's beautiful. Number 10. A gente. This one is extremely important. A gente literally means the people or the group, but Brazilians commonly use it to mean we. For example, a gente vai amanhã. We're going tomorrow. You may learn nós vamos amanhã. That's grammatically correct. But in everyday Brazilian conversation, you'll hear a gente vai amanhã much more often. And that's the point of this lesson. If you want to learn Brazilian Portuguese, don't only learn what is grammatically correct. Learn what Brazilians actually say. So let's review. Cara, guy, man, dude. Galera, guys, everyone. Beleza, all good, okay, cool. Valeu, thanks. Tá, informal está. Então, so, then. Tipo, like. Legal, cool, nice. Nossa, wow. A gente, we. These little words will help you understand real Brazilian conversations much faster. And the more you listen, the more natural Portuguese will start to sound. See you in the next lesson.